Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to Cebu Virtual Ride. It's Angela here, and today we got something special lined up for you. If you if you are new here, this channel is all about love of motorcycles, the open road, and everything in between. I'm passionate about riding, exploring new places, and sharing the journey with you all. Today, I'm taking you along one of my favorite routes, the Nawan Views. Side of the road with a view and rest place for your long rides to South Cebu. It's a perfect spot to really experience what Radio Anticar is all about. So strap in, hit that like button, and let's get ready to ride. I'll see you on the road. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.